So, what is content writing? Content writing is a form of writing where you market a product on a website. The writing is in such a way that people get attracted towards the product and writing. It is mostly used in digital marketing and web marketing. Blog writing and content writing goes hand in hand, but content writing is written in short format and formal language. Whereas blogs can be of different types, such as fashion blog, travel blog, and food blog. Here, bloggers have freedom to write anything about everything. So, what can you do as a beginner? As a beginner, you can start writing your blogs on there is an app called as Bloggers. Do check out link in description. Now these blogs are something from which the people hire content writers. So, having a blog is kind of necessary. To see how a blog works, you can visit Chetan Bhagat or Prajakta Kohli's blog. And now, tips for beginners. If you're blogging for the first time, don't directly post your work. Write something and show it to your family and friends. When you get enough confidence, you can post your work on bloggers. Do remember, short context and formal language. So, how can you earn money? You have to be a freelancer. But that's not all. If you write frequently, you can connect your Google AdSense account to your blog account. And you can add some revenue out of ads that is displayed on your blog. Thank you Bhargavi for the content, and do check Bhargavi's blog, link is in the description. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to our channel Clown Nancy.